Hey everyone, this is the secondary research presentation of Team 4. Our design challenge is the White Space Project, where we are expected to identify a gap where no useful products currently exist. We will create a good that operates in households and benefits underserved individuals. The true distinction of this project lies in defining the issue at hand. We have to explore unmet needs in households and decide which of our design ideas is the most feasible and effective given the current economic and time constraints in DTC. This class takes on greater significance with COVID-19, with more people spending time in their homes than ever before. Our task is finding and creating products that increase the efficiency or happiness of individuals in their own homes. One of our ideas was a heated towel rack. Currently, roughly 30% of Americans live in apartments, and 20% of Americans don't have a personal dryer. These individuals comprise potential users for a heated towel rack, which would be a cheaper and more compact alternative and more efficient and effective than a normal clothing rack. The primary concern would be in balancing quality, cost, and safety, as most heated racks contain metal wiring for heating, while also ensuring safety through metal cylinders to prevent from wet clothing making contact with electricity.
Is this design challenge important? Well, first and foremost, a healthy dog is a happy dog. Exercising keeps your dog healthy and limber while reducing behavioral problems such as excessive licking, barking, chewing, digging, and other anxiety-related behaviors. Also, exercising your dog allows your dog to build essential social skills. For this design challenge, our users are dog owners who have the need of exercising their dogs within the comfort of their own home. Conditions of use for the device is that it is safe for indoor use, simple to use, and engaging for your dog. Existing solutions include rough wear hydroplane disc and the flip pole. Constraints for this project is the device must be easy to store, and the next steps for this design challenge is to do more background research on what range of toys engage dogs the most.
Our third idea would be the office setup. With the quarantine, there are more people working from home in a limited space. Whether there are multiple college-age students sharing a room, or a professor who's also a parent and needs to keep an eye on the kids, it could be helpful to design a suitable office setup. So looking at some existing solutions, we found the traditional cubicle, the vocal recording booth, and the portable tent cubicle. Now they each have their pros and cons, and we would think our idea could combine different elements. So the traditional cubicle is very effective and sturdy. However, we wouldn't want its bulkiness, its permanence, and also the fact that it's not see-through. The recording booth is great because as it's made out of foam, it does a great job of canceling noise. It's also portable. However, it's not see-through or aesthetic. Lastly, the portable tent cubicle is see-through, light, portable, so that would be great. However, it is very expensive, about $1,000, and also it wouldn't do a great job of canceling noise. Combining these elements could make a great new product.
Another one of our ideas is the negative air pressure ventilation. Infectious contaminants easily spread throughout the air. In this time of pandemic, this is a very threatening issue that must be addressed. Additionally, this remains an issue after the pandemic, too, as public spaces can be unhygienic and especially dangerous for people with low immune systems. The adoption of widespread use of negative air pressure ventilation is an optimal approach to this issue, whether it be through designing installations for buildings and homes or through a portable device that can be functioned easily. This system is used in hospitals to prevent cross-contamination from room to room, and it uses negative air pressure to suck out air from rooms and buildings, which allows for fresh air to continuously be drawn into them. Today, uses for this system are mainly in hospital settings, but we hope to transition it to be applied widespread in buildings and homes. Constraints for this design project include user and performance testing in order to collect data and opinions related to our models and the design specifications, as well as the overall complexity of the design, which would not be simple to create within a quarter-long time span. Future steps for this design idea are to further research with a focus in ways to simplify this design and make it either portable, which is ideal, or easy to install for convenience. In conclusion, we have 4 main ideas that we have shown in our research, and we'll continue brainstorming and see where we go from here. Thanks so much for watching, and please stay tuned for more design updates throughout the quarter.